Good afternoon, everybody. It is Christmas Eve day, which I'm sure everybody's wondering, what does a solitary bachelor Jew do on Christmas Eve? Well, what else is there to do? We're going to make an episode of that fabulous cooking show, Penthouse Kitchen. So, interesting story first I want to walk you through before. My daughter Lauren, and she's the one who lives in Spain, she sent me a holiday package that was delivered yesterday at 4:30 by UPS, and when I got back to the penthouse, it wasn't there. It had been stolen, which was very sad. And sometimes my neighbor will, because I'm gone a lot, he collects my stuff and takes it into his apartment so that it doesn't get stolen. Well, I asked him, and he said no, because there were other packages that were there in front of my door. So my neighbor Frankenstein, he didn't have it. So I thought, well, shit, it got stolen, and it was. I was looking forward to it, and so I went out to get my ingredients for today's episode of Penthouse Kitchen. Spent some time being very angry at Target with the people. I don't know what it is about your sweet baby Jesus and his birthday that makes everybody go so freaking slow and talk to the clerk and all that, and then the traffic. Okay, it's fine. I'm home now. It's all over. But I got the ingredients. I came back, and when I get up to the penthouse, there is a wrapped package at my door. And let me turn this camera around so you can see. Oh, yeah, I don't know how to do this. So there's a wrapped package. Not exactly, it's wrapped like I would wrap a package, like a dude wrapped it, okay? And in that package is my missing UPS package. And it had been opened. There was an extra layer of tape so that it was closed again. And in it was the receipt and a gift message that says, "Happy Hanukkah, Dad. Hopefully the bacon will tide you over until we..." yada, yada, yada. From Lauren. Love you. Love Lauren. I think... Oh, and also wrapped on top of the package was a cigar and some Godiva chocolates. I think somebody stole my daughter's meat gift package, opened it, found the note, felt bad, wrapped it and brought it back. Fucking Christmas Jewish miracle right there for you. Anyway, so what we're going to make today are ham fries. What could be a better Penthouse Kitchen episode for a Jew on Christmas Eve than ham fries. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for ham fries, we start out, I bought this ham at Target. You're going to need a ham, and we're going to cut that up into little French fry shaped pieces, and then you're going to need some olive oil to fry the fries in. I'm told that olive oil is good. I don't know anything about olive oil. This is extra virgin oil. I don't have any idea what that means. I don't think it matters. You can get extra slutty olive oil. It's all the same, because we're just going to fry ham fries in it. So you need some kind of a deep frying mechanism. We'll need that later. And let's just start cutting up our ham fries. Okay, so I got some basic ham fries cut up, and we're going to flour those, and we got to heat up our oil. I can't figure out how to get this lid off. I don't know. I'm going to stab myself. Wait, I think this is... Ow! God damn it! See? This must be the extra virgin part. It's hard to get into. Okay, I don't even know if this is working. Still won't come off. Ah, okay, it's not a... Oh, for fuck's sake. Anyway, alright, good enough. So I'm going to pour in some oil. Enough that that my fries will submerge. Excuse me. We'll let that heat up. And maybe this is a good place to store oil. I don't know about that. Okay. Okay, need a plate for the flour. Now, mind you, I don't have a recipe for ham fries. I just had some of those chicken fries at Burger King, and I thought to myself, what if these were made out of something other than a meat substitute? Instead of chicken, ham. So this recipe, you're seeing the creation of a new Penthouse Kitchen recipe as it happens. So we don't know what's going to happen here, but it could be fantastic. So we're going to bread these up nicely. I don't have any idea what I'm doing here, if this is going to work, but I saw my mom do something like this in the 70s once. And I think you could probably make these in as big a batch as you wanted to. You know, for a party, or, since it's just me tonight, a single serving. Okay. That looks like it's getting hot already. I don't know how you tell. Oh, we can drop a little piece of ham in there and see if it's... Oh, look at that! Okay. I have no idea. Maybe a fork. Let's see what happens. Oh my gato. This is gonna be fantastic. I don't know how long to cook these, but we'll figure it out. Whoops. These are supposed to stay clean, these pants. Shit. Okay. All right. Oh,
Fuck! I was supposed to run this before I went to Florida. I even put the soap in it. Son of a bitch. Well, I guess I can reuse one of these. Oh my God, this is gonna be great. Now I'm all out of freaking plates. I bet these are done. Okay, let's see. Turn that off. Oh my gato. Ha Ladies and gentlemen, ham fries. Oh boy, this is going to be great. Okay, get that off the heat. And, ladies and gentlemen, ham fries. Let's just, oh my God. This is magnificent. Absolutely brilliant. This has been another episode of Penthouse Kitchen. Be seeing you. Oh, and Merry Christmas.